Legends of Learning presents the Guardians of Energy game. This is a science game that makes learning about the conservation of energy fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, the village needs your help. Help Rook and his neighbors restore the energy and transfer it. Guide animals through their adventure and observe how energy can change its form. Enjoy an immersive experience in this 3D world full of adventures and absorbing mini games. This game teaches the conservation of energy and energy transfer concepts. Use the mouse to click on different objects to complete tasks to help create energy for the village. Play different mini games that require a knowledge of energy to convert different energy into electrical energy for the village. Click with the mouse to find items to build windmills, destroy wolves with a slingshot, and play mini golf to progress further in the game. Complete all the tasks to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.